my name is Landon Williams, and this is the small little program I built for my English class to recreate MS-DOS. We'll go ahead and run it now. Alright, now it has booted up. We can type CLS and it'll clear the screen. Now, there's a variety of programs, or commands rather, I programmed in. All of them are hard coded into the program, so unlike the real MS-DOS, it's not like in the computer, it's just text displaying like fake information, if you will. Like for example, if I type in directory, on a real computer, these would be actual files and commands. So, like, you could open this up and it do something, and you could like you could go into this and it like there'd be more files in it. I didn't program that in for NC directory, but I did program it for DOS, the directory DOS up here. So if I type in cd DOS, you'll see that the little command input has changed, and now if I type directory, we'll get a little bit less files here. But what this is supposed to be is it's supposed to be files. So think of that as like a folder, and then think of these as the file in the folder. We want to get out of that, so we'll go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and clear the screen again. After this, we can use the command date, and it'll just tell us the date and time. In the real program, you could change this, but I couldn't figure out how to do it, so you can't change it in this one. And for the last thing, this will be is like sort of a small imitation text editor. If you type edit, you can type whatever you want. So for this one, I'll type a very good, very nice. And now if you press open, it'll print out what you typed into the text. And then you can do it again, and you'll do a yes. And then you can once again open it again. You can't save more than one. I haven't figured out how to do that. So, but I don't know. Maybe I'll look back on this in the future and I'll see like what I've done, and I'll improve on it. And to end the program, you can type end, and it'll do a fake shutdown of the computer. Let's see. And now that we've done that, here is all, all, let's see, 239 lines of code I've written for this program. This is all startup. Like, I think this was 169, just the startup alone, 169 uh, lines of code. So I had to manually like set the timer, made this part a little bit longer than say this part. This is the pretend to clear the screen. So if I go into the output, when I did the clear screen command, if I scroll up enough, it didn't actually clear the screen. It's just been pushed up. But let's see, that's the boot up, and then these are all the commands I wrote. So for example, here, let's see, date. If the input of the user equals date, then it will output the system's date. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope I get a good grade. Okay, bye. Actually, not bye. There's one small thing I forgot to mention. If you don't write any of the commands I typed in, so we'll just. Oh, that's not. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. I'll just and it'll type out this, and that pretty much means you did bad. So if I do, let's say, open space, it won't work. Well, yeah, it just won't work. If I just do plain old open, I don't think it'll, yeah, null. It just doesn't exist. Yeah, that's it. That's all I've forgotten. I hope this video is already long enough as it is.